okay. Don't worry. They're not going to get you.
Just hit them with your hand.
Oh, wow.
What? What?
Look.
What?
Here. I'm going to carry you, all right? Come on.
Why? Not why?
Because we're going to go down.
Oh, are we?
I am. You don't have to.
Be careful.
Hi, guys.
There's a lot of bugs here.
Yeah.
Even though it's
These bugs are okay. Over here. Oh. It's okay. They're not going to bite. They don't bite. They just fly around and are kind of annoying. Keep walking forward. You okay, honey?
Yeah.
Let's go. I know. Let's go.
Come on, Chewy.
Okay.
And here's one for you.
That's for me?
Yeah.
Thank you,
This
honey.
is Lisa. And this one's for you, Mommy.
I get one too?
Yeah, because you're a baby Nessie.
So let's keep going. Let's go down by the water.
Oh,
Slow.
I almost saw. Ooh, look at these video stars. Give me a biscuit. Yeah, those are pretty.
Yeah.
Those turtles?
Where?
Yeah. There's turtles in the water.
Or ducks or something.
No, they're turtles. Their heads are,
Where?
I think.
Let's get closer.
Come
and
on,
find out.
let's go see.
Ew.
Maybe there's a Loch Ness monster in here.
No, I don't want to get by this. That's my back. That's my back.
What does?
That's mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes. Yeah, they're pesty, aren't they?
Yeah.
Just try not to breathe in them.
Huh?
So try not to breathe in them.
Maybe we can hit them or hit them by the face or something.
Maybe. You ready?
Whoa. How is it? Okay?
Okay.
So mosquitoes are going to bite us. Okay?